We got Samo moving up. We are up since I basically entered this position. I think I got my entries somewhere around here. We're up roughly 39%. Where is Samo going to go next? If you guys don't know what Samo is, Samoyedcoin is the OG meme coin for Solana within their ecosystem. The team and everything that they're doing to onboard new people to Solana is incredible. And honestly, Samoyedcoin is one of my favorite plays going into the bull market. Whether or not the bull market is here to stay, or if this rally that we're experiencing is indeed the bull market, is up for debate. I still want to see Bitcoin do certain things, and I talked about that on my other video that you guys should check out, that I posted earlier this week. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about Samoyedcoin, where I think it could go. We're going to go over some crypto, some CoinGecko stuff as well, just to kind of walk through how we're feeling about market cap and for Samoyedcoin specifically. And if you guys like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. My name is Dennis. This is Cali Crypto, and I have so much in store for this content. We're going to be going out interviewing people about crypto. Patreon's coming soon. Interviews are coming soon, and I'm extremely excited to bring that all to you guys. But for now, it's just me, my laptop, and some Loom. Shout out Loom for making it easier for me to record this type of content. Anyways, let's hop into Samo. So we're sitting above the 0.003 or the mid-range of the two orange lines. This is exactly what I was talking about when I entered the position. It's on my Twitter. If you guys want to follow me, dgen_21. And it's sitting at a really pivotal point, right? If I were to draw, let me just copy this orange line right here. Like if this is my mid-range, and this is a key weekly level right here where liquidity gets exchanged, the last thing I want to see is price action to get above the yellow line at 0.004 and to get back inside below 0.003. That's the last thing I want to be seeing. The bulls don't want to see that. We want to see a sustained move. So in this case, that looks like us closing this weekly candle right where we are. That would be crystal perfect sexiness from Samo. Let's zoom into the 3-day. That 3-day stochastic RSI, man, is giving me some kind of weird vibe. And, once we zoom in, that weekly level is extremely important because you saw multiple times before in Samo's history, if I were to extend that, I'm going to butcher the price, but if I were to extend this yellow line, you see multiple times price action comes up, rejects. Can't even keep up above it, rejects. The second we get above it, rejects. And now we're at that key pivotal level again, and it just so happens to be a mid-range point as well. So it's extremely important for bulls to keep above the mid-range and to get above that 0.004 level. Otherwise, it might not look good for the bulls. Zooming into the daily stochastic RSI, the first thing I want to look at is, we are sitting at those overbought territory. And if I were to use my handy dandy market cipher, it does look like we're looking to print a red dot here soon. But what I do like to see is that money flow is looking promising. It's looking promising. Let's zoom into the 4-hour and see how the rest of the week's going to play out. And I'm starting to get some bearish divergences on the 4-hour, on the stochastic RSI, and on market cipher B, and that's not something that I want to see. Money flow is still pretty high, but again, if money flow starts to wane out and we start to form something like this, a lower high, and we get acceptance below the mid-range, that is not good for the bulls, and that is probably where I will exit my position. I entered in right here, held it through all this nonsense. I TP'd some right here, and then I held the rest just because I was like, let's risk it for the biscuit. But that is what I'm seeing for Samo right now, and let's go to CoinGecko here in a bit. I wanted to talk about Samo on CoinGecko specifically because we're sitting at a $15.6 million market cap, and the tokenomics are phenomenal. There is no dumping left circulating. We are looking really good. Liquidity has always been really good on Samo because Samo is traded on a lot of different exchanges, and it's ecosystem wide, right? So they're on Ethereum, they're built on Solana, but they have access to liquidity pools from all kinds of places. One thing that I really want to point out, guys, is this is where we are now, and this is the goal, right? I have it on my Twitter, and if you're a part of the Samoyedcoin Discord, definitely check everything out the Samoyedcoin team is doing. They have Tuesdays where they do market research talks where the community members will come in and do research on specific coins. The team lead GS actually just did a coin review on Mina protocol, and ironically enough, Mina pumped 50%. That's pretty dope. Good call out, GS, if you see this video. Um, and on Thursdays, they do weekly reviews with this guy called Crypto Rec, who is a legit trader, and he has some top tier market analysis. And sometimes I hop into, but it's more or less his thing. So, but in the Samoyedcoin Discord, everyone knows, and we have a bet going on, right? If Samo reaches $1 over the bull market, right? So we peaked at 20, 21 cents, 24 cents on some exchanges, from what I remember. If Samo reaches $1, which is possible, right? Me and other Discord members or community members are going to get a tattoo of the Samoyedcoin logo on our left, or in my specific case, on my left cheek. So if you want to see that, pump this stuff up all the way to $1, because it'd be hilarious. And we'll all be rich. So again, none of this is financial advice. I'm just some random dude on the internet giving you, spewing my thoughts on this random dog coin that I find interesting. But anyway, Samoyedcoin has been up 37% over the last 14 days, which is super bullish. Still down 45% over the year. But again, guys, we are in a bear market until Bitcoin proves otherwise, right? And hodl. I mean, for now, right? We're here, we're in this market to make money, and this is just one of those coins that I think will do really, really well over a bull cycle. So, again, my name is Dennis. I'll see you on the next video. This is Cali Crypto. Peace.